try on. Now, when I say try on, why do I say that? I don't speak the truth. I don't want you to believe anything I say. All I offer you is an opportunity to try something on. Like when you go shopping and you get 2 articles of clothing, and one, the price is right, well, both of them, the price is right, and you put the first one on and it fits you and it looks good. How long does it take you, once that you look at the price, it fits you and it looks good, how long does it take you to make a decision that you're going to buy it? How long? Anybody go shopping here? Nobody? Everybody Amazon? Is that's happening? Okay. So like a second. Now you get the second article of clothing, you look at the price, it makes sense, and then all of a sudden it's a little snug and you look this way and you look that way and you're like, I didn't know that bump was there before. How long does it take you to choose not to get that article of clothing? Instantly. But both times, for you to make an educated decision, you tried to try it on. We sometimes don't even want to try things on because our mind is telling us that we know what's best for us. How many of you like pineapple? Raise your hand. How many of you like pizza? Raise your hand. How many of you like pineapple and pizza? Raise your hand. How many of you like pineapple and pizza? You've never tried pineapple pizza, but you know you're not going to like it. How does that make sense? How many of you like coffee? How many of you like honey? How many of you have never tried honey in their coffee? And know you're not going to like it? How does that make sense? Worst case scenario, you try the honey in your coffee, you bite into a slice of pineapple pizza. It's disgusting, you spit it out, you wash it out with something, 10 seconds of torture, and then you're done. Best case scenario, you just discovered something that you're going to love for the rest of your life.